Hey guys, it's Vaughn. Special thanks to Home Chef for sponsoring today's video, so definitely stay tuned for an amazing offer. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my daily routine with my daughter, Ann. I see a lot of these videos on YouTube and I really love them, but this one is going to be focused on the autism mom experience. So if you've ever been curious or if you are yourself an autism mom, this one's for you. So my day starts about 6 a.m. and I usually have to go and find Ann because normally she's up way before me, and on this particular day, she was playing with her dad before he left out for work. The goal every day is to always try and get up before Ann does, but you know what? Some days she just beats me to it, and today was one of those days. So we're usually spending a lot of our morning in the kitchen because it's time for breakfast. Ann is very decisive and energetic first thing in the morning. She's such a morning person, just like her mom. So she will usually walk me over to the refrigerator or the cabinet or whatever to let me know exactly what it is that she wants to eat and drink. She's very in tune. She knows where everything is. So she'll just sort of point to something to let me know that that's what she wants for breakfast. She goes to therapy 5 days a week, and I send her with a prepared lunch every single day. It can be very challenging trying to keep Ann entertained with her lunches while trying to prioritize nutrition while balancing her picky eater ways. But you know, I never give up trying to put together nutritionally sound meals. Usually while her lunch is cooking, I'm trying to get her to have her breakfast, but Ann loves to play, you guys. I don't know, she must get that from her dad, honey. She loves to play. She thinks that the morning is playtime. She also tries to get me to let her watch her favorite shows and cartoons, and I'm like, girl, no, we got to get ready for therapy. We are going to be late, so let's go. Our mornings are extremely high energy, super chaotic, so I definitely have to have my coffee. I'm also cleaning whatever mess she made the night before, and is very curious and adventurous, so she's always got something going on, but I just try to get her to focus on her breakfast as much as I can, serving up all of her favorite things. Lately, we've had some challenges with eating in the morning. Ann has not been as interested as she once was. So, you know, we've had some breakfast fails lately, but we're definitely working on it, trying to get her to eat. But here I am just kind of preparing her lunch. I usually try to give her a couple of snacks in addition to her main lunch. So something with fruit, something fresh, you know, a little snack. She likes these gluten-free pretzels. And I just go ahead and pack her lunch in her lunch bag. I just try to prepare things that are gonna be easy on her therapists. And as for me, because mama's gotta eat too, I like to keep things very quick for myself, and Home Chef always comes through for me in that way. Whenever I order my weekly meals from Home Chef, I always get what they call the add-on. So I get a smoothie because they are so easy to put together, you guys. All you have to do is dump the ingredients into your blender and voila, you have a smoothie. It's super simple. And all I have to do is pop this in the fridge until it's time to leave out. Home Chef is definitely my mom hack. While Ann is downstairs pushing her breakfast around the plate, it's my chance to hurry and get dressed really quick. I'm just looking at her room and assessing the work that I have cut out for me later this morning, but that's okay because this is our regular routine, so I get it. This is my chance to go ahead and get her clothes out, pick out what she's going to wear for the day. I usually like to pick something super comfy, like these little stretchy leggings, a nice little flowy top, just so that she's super comfy because they do a lot of playing at therapy, grabbing a headband so that she can be cute. And now it's time to get her freshened up. She and I both already take our baths at night, so it makes it a little easier in the morning, but sometimes Ann is just like not interested in focusing and getting ready, so I really have to try hard to maintain her attention and cooperation with getting dressed. I have a really high standard when it comes to how Ann is presented every day in therapy. I like to make sure her hair is nice and her clothes are nice, so I do struggle trying to get her to hurry up, but we just get through it. Now that she's all ready, it's time to head on downstairs. You guys, her shoes are the last thing that I put on because she really doesn't like wearing shoes and I don't want to upset her just yet. So we head on downstairs. She likes to do a little piggyback ride. That's her favorite way to go down the stairs. It's like the Mommy Express. It's so funny. She's obsessing over my braids and loves hair. I don't even think I mentioned this, but I go directly to the gym after I drop Ann off. And so I am definitely going to take one of my apple cider vinegar gummies. You guys, these are delicious. Oh my goodness. I'll put the link below if you guys are interested. And Ann did not finish her breakfast, so I just went ahead and wrapped it because I'm going to send her to therapy with it. Sometimes when we get to therapy, Ann is a little clingy and she wants me to carry her in, so I go ahead and do it, but normally she's fine because she loves her therapists. The gym, you guys, this is my me time. It is the 1 hour of the day that belongs exclusively to me. I get to focus on strengthening my body, my health, and just de-stressing. After the gym, I head back home. Now it's time for me to pick up my house, organize my life, get everything in order before Ann gets home. It usually means that I need to clean up the kitchen because I will have cooked her breakfast, lunch, and all this stuff, and there's probably dishes everywhere, which there usually are, you guys, because I cook a lot. I cook at least like 4 or 5 times a week, and there are always pots and pans everywhere. Normally I do them at night, but if I don't, because last night I was actually at a concert, so I didn't do the dishes. Now I have to do them this morning. I do have a cleaning lady, but she only comes like once or twice a month, so the everyday maintenance of the house is definitely on me. But what I have to notice is that around this time, I hadn't actually eaten yet. So I'm standing here starving. I'm like, I need to cook food. So I'm trying to hurry and get the kitchen done so that I can nourish my body and eat a solid meal, because all I've had so far were those ACV gummies and a smoothie. But it's just something about it. I like to clean before I take my shower, so I definitely wanted to get that out of the way before hopping in. Now I'm just putting on some comfy clothing. It's actually a t-shirt from the concert I was at last night. Now it's time to tackle Anne's room, because I can't focus on anything until the house is clean. It's just a thing. As messy as Anne's room appears, it is super easy to clean, you guys. It's virtually stress-free, because what I've done is organize her room in a way where every single thing has a place. So it's really, really easy to clean. Even all of her bins, every single one serves its own purpose. So it's really just a matter of putting everything back exactly where it belongs. And I'm very careful as to how I put everything away, because I know how Anne is. So I like to put her lighter books like on the lower shelf, because I know she's going to probably try to knock them down. I like to put a lot of the heavier books towards the top because she can't reach them. I usually position some of her bulkier items in front of the closet so she can't necessarily have easy access to get in there and make a mess. So that's kind of another hack for us. And honestly, Anne is getting a lot better with knowing where to put things and how to be neat and not to destroy her room so much. But it's a work in progress, as with any child. So you just have to be patient and allow her to be a kid. And honestly, I can't really complain. It only takes me like 15 minutes to completely pick her room up. Finally, it's time for me to sit down and eat something. So I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee because I absolutely love coffee. And I'm going to make myself a quick salad. This is delicious. It has like an Asian flair. It's nice and spicy. I really love it. And this is my workspace, you guys. I literally sit in a corner at a small little desk and I do everything from this corner. I have been literally too busy to even design myself a proper workspace, and yet the work still needs to get done. So this is my little makeshift desk for now. And I sit here for a few hours every day on conference calls, responding to emails, creating content, trying to get as much done as I can before Anne gets home. But even when she's back home, I'm still sitting here working. I probably work about 10 to 12 hours a day. I do also have to take some time to care for our furry friend. Her name is Sansa. She is a 9-month-old cane corso. We love her so much. We actually bought her because we wanted to make sure we had a companion for Anne, also for protection, companionship, and Sansa keeps an eye on Anne. She's very protective of her. So now Anne is home from therapy. Make sure you stay quiet so you don't wake her up. It's a good day when Anne has her nap right according to schedule. So it's awesome. I'll probably have her lay down for about 2 hours. When she wakes up, we'll probably play, do some therapeutic exercises to kind of roll over the things that she's learned in therapy that day. And then she'll have like her second lunch, kind of early dinner. I'll probably let her watch some of her favorite shows, and then we'll kind of start to wind down for the evening. But while I have her asleep, that gives me plenty of time to start on dinner. As I mentioned earlier, Home Chef is one of my mom hacks. I am a weekly subscriber, so I do get the meals delivered to my door every week. It's so awesome, you guys, because it keeps me from having to go to the grocery store to figure out what I'm going to be cooking for dinner and having to go buy all of the ingredients. I can pretty much just go online and select the meals that I want for the week, and they're going to be delivered to my door in the exact portions that I need. And all I have to do is cook the meal and sit it on the table. With Home Chef, there is a ton of variety, so there's always something for everyone in my household. Probably the happiest person in this entire equation is my husband, honey. He loves when he sees that Home Chef box on the porch. And right now, if you guys want to give Home Chef a try, now is the perfect time, because Home Chef is offering the best deal that they have ever offered. It's $80 off. That's $20 off your first 4 orders. All you have to do is click the link below to get signed up. It is extremely easy. And I'm telling you, ladies, as busy and low-key stressful as my life is, I love not having to go to the grocery store any chance I can get. If I can go online and select a meal and someone's going to deliver it to my door, that is a good day, honey. Now that I've made it easy on myself and got dinner out of the way, I can actually just take a moment to relax and just kind of kick back for a moment, look at a magazine, and reflect on my day. It's super important for special needs moms to take these moments for themselves and to utilize all of the resources out there to help us be able to do that. Speaking of which, special thanks once again to Home Chef for sponsoring this video. I'm really hoping this video was helpful, informative, and inspirational. And if you guys have any questions, make sure that you do put them down below in the comments. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!